Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to see the 3D view in Google Maps step by step. The 3D view lets you explore buildings, landmarks, and cities from different angles. So let's get started. First, open your web browser. Next, go to the Google Maps website. In the search box, type the location you want to view. Then press Enter. Next, click the Layers button in the bottom left corner. Select More. Then turn on Globe View if it's available. Now zoom in on a city or famous landmark. Next, click the 3D button on the right side of the map. If you don't see the 3D button, hold down the Control key while dragging your mouse to tilt the map. You can also hold the Shift key and drag your mouse to rotate the map. Use your mouse wheel to zoom in or out. Click and drag to move around and explore the area in 3D. To return to the normal top-down view, click the 2D button. And that's it. You've successfully viewed locations in 3D using Google Maps. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Google Maps tutorials and tips. See you in the next video.